Hello my friends, a very good morning. I'm Jeanette, a professional makeup artist. I welcome you with all of my heart, inviting you to stay with me friends as I develop this part of the video. All of my videos are from 4K using 70% of natural light with a 30% of artificial light. I film my videos with a 4K camera, high resolution. And the reason of this video is going to be about this stunning production from Fara Homidi. He's a makeup artist that just launched, I don't want to say more than 2 months, this stunning essential bronzer compact. Price retail on this product are $78. I'm going to say that this lady introduces us with this gorgeousness that is called LUMI-MATTE soft suede, which is the technology she used. It is made in Italy and I got 2 shades. She launched a total of 4 shades. I can't have enough. Look at the way that this open. Okay, so you have your bulletproof bronzer here. I love the presentation. This product looks crazy luxurious. It's heavy. It's like a between maroon and burgundy in case. So this shade, it is Roma. So we have Lumen, which is the second after Bois, and then after Lumen is Roma. Roma is more intense in shade than Lumen. Regarding Roma, it is a tawny tan shade with warm undertones. Lumen again is a tan with golden undertone. For first time friends, I'm presenting you both shades. So we're going to see what is the uniqueness. This product elevates your makeup in just seconds. And I'm not exaggerating. The formulation, friends, it is nothing like you have seen before. Nothing that you can compare regarding bronzer, powder, cream to bronzer, cream to powder bronzers. Nothing performed as this product. It's a pressed powder, clean and vegan. It is a very unique, in my opinion, gentle to swipe over the cheek, soft, focused finish. Both have a natural finish. This product contains a powerful hydration and antioxidants. Snow mushroom that locks in the skin the moisture, powerful hydration and antioxidant protection. Passion fruit seed oil restore the lipid layer to plump skin and improve softness and suppleness. Squalane that prevent loss of hydration, because you understand some bronzer, and I've been in that boat, have the tendency to dry your skin. This creation from Fara Homidi, friends, comes with a brush. The brush itself had a price or a cost of $68 being synthetic. I am a true light skin. This product here is Lumen. This one is Roma. Look how the product, friends, diffuse. Look at that. The way that this product diffuse with a tiny little bit, you can go a very long way. So you can see this is more neutral and this is more warm in shade. This side was done with Carolina Herrera. You cannot even tell if I don't tell you. And this other side was done with Tom Ford Architecture Radiant. What do you think if I do Lumen on this side and Roma on this other side? ALLEYOOP. You can find it at Amazon. It is called the Overachiever. It's stunning, friends. It's synthetic, but look, the softness is so crazy well made. Just start with Lumen on this side. With a tiny little bit, you are going a very long way, okay? So we start applying the product. It's easy to apply. It's cream to powder, soft sweat. How delicate and soft. And the glide, just so crazy beautiful, because this product doesn't have like a gold particles. Can you see the glow happening here? And this is with the shade Lumen. If you're thinking that this product is just going to be wear on summer, I'm going to Scotland and these babies are coming with me. How naturally this product set. I was so mesmerized. Yes, we are paying here for quality. I want to clarify that. And the lady did an amazing job. She did it. And I'm just sharpening my jawline. And I'm going to use a tiny little bit of this beauty. Here on the natural dentation I have. Look. This is all what you want to do, friends, on your face. This is all what I want to do when I'm traveling. I'm done. It's a high quality, nothing like you have seen before. This one is Lumen. Tan with golden undertone. This product doesn't turn into your skin with any orangey, unwanted, finish or reddish finish. And this is the gift on this product. So Lumen, and do the demo of Roma. So I'm going to be using this brush from BK Beauty. It is the 104. One time and I have enough. Is visible the warm shade. So this is Lumen and this is Roma. How this product set on the skin, friends, is so crazy natural. So to make this side even, I'm going to apply a little bit more of Roma on this other side. This product contains a very light silicone base that allows for the product to smooth. This bronzer, as I told you in the beginning, friends, is so unique on its form. The LUMI-MATTE technology. The shades I'm using are in the middle of 4 shades that Fara Homidi launched. It's just gorgeous, friends. These actually are so worth it of the investment. I truly hope with all of my heart that I help you to understand much better the nature of this product from Fara Homidi. I truly would like that you comment and tell me what you think. I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying, friends, I don't have on my collection anything that performs like this. Thank you so much for your attention. I will see you very soon. Bye.